How you doing, guys? Chris here from Divergent Drones. Today we're at Dallas Lake to talk about the DJI FPV system presets for the camera. There are 3 presets available by using the toggle on the DJI FPV controller located here. By rotating this wheel to the left, you can switch through the different presets. Here we have LED mode, which in certain situations looks really nice. Rotate the wheel one more time and you'll find race mode. This is very bright, and if you rotate the wheel one more time, you'll have standard mode. So while looking at the sun, LED mode was really nice, but then away from the sun, it was kind of dark. As I toggle back through race mode and then standard mode again away from the sun, you see that both images are a little washed out, but the standard mode seems to have just a little bit more color. For now, I'm going to stay in standard mode for my flight around the lake. Enjoy the rest of the video, and thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.